In this video we will look at the garage door torsion spring technical specification numbers and try to understand what those numbers mean. As you can see, this torsion spring recently broke. Understanding its specification numbers can help to find the correct replacement. The first number is 31776. This number is most likely a manufacturer-specific part number or a production batch code. Unless you are getting your replacement from the same manufacturer, this number is not very useful. Next is the number 262. It is industry standard measurement. It refers to the wire diameter of the spring, which is 0.262 inches. Last is the number 39. The number 39 represents the overall length of the spring, which is 39 inches. For specific measurements are required for exact identification of the replacement, so these numbers are not sufficient. For example, take a look at this new replacement spring from a different manufacturer, which includes wire size, inner spring diameter, spring length, and direction of spring winding, as are for right-hand wound. This new replacement spring includes all 4 parameters. In the next video, we will demonstrate how to obtain these parameters with a measuring tape.